Mono coming through. Para esto sí manejas, ¿verdad? Pero no para mí. Para esto sí manejas, cabrón. On a Tuesday night. No sé, güey. I don't know. I don't want to say yes, you know, güey. I dropped my camera and it now doesn't want to record nor take pictures. This may be the end of the 6400, guys. It's gonna suck if that is the case. Pero ni modo, it happens. Actually, honestly, I would go buy another 6400. They're great cameras. Hopefully just a little glitch, but yeah. Super clean. Damn, look at that. It's like a magazine build right there. Look at that. Rad. Beautiful S13. Nice green. Nice and wide. DA. ¿Qué pasó, Frank? ¿Cómo estamos? ¿Cómo estamos, carnalito?
Good.
I was expecting you here. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I was just a little late.
You fought through traffic, but you made it.
Yeah, hell yeah. I was hoping to make it by 6, but man, late to the party.
No, what do you mean? We're early, bro.
Yeah.
We're early. Especially you with your coverage. I love it, man. Pollo recently, not recently, he had to pick the car paint a couple months back, I think. But yeah, it's a car that I've always liked. The fact that it's right-hand drive, sedan. He had TE 37s, if I'm not mistaken, back then. So it's always been a car that I've always liked. And now he got it resprayed. I mean, then more touches, the CPRs. Car looks freaking amazing. It's like the perfect daily-ish, you know, cruiser commuter car. I wouldn't do anything else to it. It's just great. Super good. The silver, like I said, silver cars have definitely been growing on me. They look great, so no complaints there. And Jesse, we've seen his car, his EG, quite a bit. I really like what he's doing with his brand. I think it's 90s Lifestyle. 90 Street Legend, sorry. 90 Street Legend. So definitely love, you know, having a black car is always a hit and miss when it comes to just how clean the paint can be or not be. Such a clean car. But like I said, it's a little dusty. I'm sure he cleaned it beforehand, but that's just what happens, you know, when it comes to cars like this, especially black. But yeah, the whole lot had gotten full, so I'm gonna take a walk over there and just check some of those cars out. Homie Matt obviously always brings out the jammers. He has this and he has the EK hatch. So super clean cars. Can't go wrong with either one. Very nice. I want to say H2B if I'm not mistaken. I probably am though, but obviously you guys seen it. Banger. It's amazing. Kirari running after his beautiful daughter. Brought out the whip. Super nice. So nice to see a 90s car still be driven what is supposed to be a family car, you know what I mean? Because they're small. They're smaller on the smaller side, so to get a car that that, you know, is from the 90s and they're still using it as supposed to, it's always nice. But yeah, I'm giving a break to my camera, man. Hopefully nothing wrong happened. It's wild. I'm gonna tap it a little bit. Hopefully that fixes it. If I'm not mistaken, this is Pacey. It is Pacey_EM1. Talk about a bad wagon. Oh my gosh. Oh no. It's my favorite wagon. I don't know why I love those caddy black wagons. What's up, brother? Sick. Brought the bike. How's it going, man?
What's up, brother?
How's it going, man?
Good.
So it keeps getting more packed as we suspected. Look at this, very clean car. Very nice. Beautiful white Accord right here. Wait, it's not an Accord? Oh no, it's a Lambo. Beautiful car, man. Sounds so nice, so aggressive. I don't know if I missed the DC5. I'm gonna go back in there in a little bit just to check it out to see if I didn't miss it. Now that I saw the license plates, I think Ferrari is a gentleman with the yellow NSX as well, or had the NSX. I was listening to the podcast that I did with Chris. If it is this gentleman, I think it is. And he was discussing how he felt about this car. I personally love this car, but I am gonna be that lame who says I wish it were manual. I've said that before, but the design of it, you can't go wrong. I mean, this is absolutely amazing, and the older generation NSX obviously still take the cake for sure. The M7's so good. I mean, there's a lot of cars. Unfortunately, I won't be able to get all of you guys, but yeah, definitely appreciate the love from everybody who's stopped by and, you know, asked about the next Freeway Runners meet. I'm trying to obviously just do the flyers a couple of days ahead of time. I'm not trying to get it to this, you know, level that is too big that we can't really enjoy ourselves because there's too many people. Group and Garage, the gentlemen that I was discussing, that they do the L swaps on the cars. This is one of their shop cars, you could say. A gentleman, man, this car's pushing some serious power. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was 5 something. I think probably more, but definitely a lot of work has been done to it, and super rad, you know, that, you know, we get to see that. So that's pretty cool. Couple DAs rolling through. Nice. Dope. Okay, what's up? Corwago. Damn, you don't see those often. Fit your wagon? It's looking minty. Nice. Definitely. Andrew, the gentleman that joined us for the Freeway Runners meet, beautiful EK hatch. I mean, I don't know, man. The car looks good as is, but I know you have a different vision for your fitment. But I'm pretty surprised that this is still stock front camber arms, 15x8 wheels. So that's cool, man. Definitely looks great. Shh, nice. B20. Some of you guys are always asking, hey, can you do videos in Spanish? Like, bro, like, I don't know 80% of the things I'm looking at, let alone imagine, oh, that's cool with the cassettes. Imagine trying to translate it. Oh, this is una K24. Like, nah, bro, can't do that. Super dope. The cassettes. CD7 in the house. Cool. All right. Oh, I like the car, the dash cover. That's different. I like it. 96, 97. Very cool, man. Set of wheels. The famous guys walking through. What's up, buddy? How are you?
Good.
Doing well, can't complain. Oh, it's H-swap? Nice. H23A. La Basura de Jose came through with his waggle. Luna in the back, just chilling, mad dogging everybody. Oh, nice. And Riga Masters, the Corolla. Oh, that looks so good, white on white. So good. Man, this thing is slammed. Like super slam. It looks pretty comfortable actually for being super slam. It's probably on bags. Right hand drive, UCE, I think that's his IG handle. Sorry if I'm mistaking it, but yeah, it looks so clean. He brought it out, you know, with just OEM wheels, and it looked great. And now with this SR wheels, it just looks even better. White on white, you can't go wrong with that. Gentleman came out to the Freeway Runners meet as well, super clean. Hadn't seen him, and now I see him back to back, so that's cool. It's crazy clean. I'm messing with you, bro. Thank you so much, man. Take it easy. Bro, didn't you leave your house at 5? Hey, didn't you leave your house at 5? You were coming fast. You're cruising. Ian, the sick ass YouTube channel. What's up, buddy? Homies from SD. Damn, that's hard. Look at that. Yellow. Ah, so good. What up? What up? I thought it was Oscar for a little bit. I have the same color scheme going. Nice EF. Oh, that's a rare car right here. An EP3. Very nice. What's up, Pacey?
What's up, bro? Good to see ya.
Nice to see you, buddy. Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
Good to see ya.
Damn. 993. It's perfect fitment. So some of the newer cars are coming through now. Some M3, some FK8. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Not bad.
I don't see you at all, and then I get to see you less than a month. I get to see you twice.
I call in sick for this one.
You do sound sick.
I called it a mental health call.
Hey, we all need it.
I'm a cook, you know what I mean? So it feels good to have a day off.
There you go. Otherwise, you never get a day off, man.
Yeah.
I'm glad you're out here, though. Car's looking really nice, man. Oh, silver with matte blue, yes. Freaking clean. Oh, nice. Is that a lightning? It is a lightning. Sick. I dig that. Let me see. Is my camera working again? No, it's not. Oh, no. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, something you don't see that often either. CRZ. Sick. J. Fernan. The gentleman's from Source. They always roll deep. It's cool. Damn, this thing's hard. It's crazy. I don't know anything about off-roading, but I know this looks freaking insane. Holy sh! You guys not like looking at suspension setups. Dude, what the heck is this? Wow, this thing is bad. Oh, they really deleted the seats in the back. Battery located there. What the heck? This is freaking rad.
Yeah, we just installed the AC condenser on Saturday. Because we busted it.
I don't know, this is freaking insane. Freaking insane. Oh, this gentleman here has been doing some work to this TSX. We interviewed him a long time ago. Fuck yeah, dude. Heck yeah. So freaking rad, dude. So rad. Ah, and I can't take pictures of it. That sucks. How's it going, man? Doing well, thank you. Mira, dos perros. ¿Cómo estamos? ¿Cómo estamos, Luna? ¿Qué pedo? ¿Chingadazos o qué? Tú di. Jose with his beautiful waggle. His homie. Beautiful RX-7. Nice. So I'm gonna change lenses. Maybe that does something to the. Oh damn, this is clean. Almost missed it. Very clean silver on silver. Oh, so many clean cars are coming through and I can't get pictures of them. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Let me see. Let me change lenses and see if I can. Nice. Whole family came through. That's a very clean DA actually, the black one. Nice. I keep saying it's nice, nice. Well, they're all nice. I don't know what to say. All right, everyone, thank you so much for the love and the support. Hung, big shout out to Doghouse. Thank you for the hat. Definitely, I appreciate the support, man. I really do. The hospitality and just everybody that came out, man. It's still really early. People are still barely getting in here. I'm gonna go home and help with night routine for my son. But definitely want to come out for a little bit, show some love, some support, and yeah, I can't wait to see everybody's coverage because everybody has something different to add or a different perspective. So for sure, I appreciate you guys. Hopefully to the gentlemen that came from Japan, safe travels. Hopefully they're back again. But yeah, man, you guys came out, man. You guys came out, and the quality of the cars that Del Sol, I think it's clean. We're really close by, so and obviously as you can see, still more cars are coming by. Oh, the Honda Fit is nice. Evo S2000. Man, they take the turns like nothing. Their suspension's dialed in, not like my cars. Alright, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for the love and the support once again, man. Doesn't go unnoticed. And to everybody out there who just tunes in, man, really appreciate you guys. Alright, peace out, everyone.